Hello and welcome to Sohini's kitchen. So today I'm going to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel and has motivated me throughout my journey on YouTube till date. Thank you so much for subscribing and for watching my content and leaving behind your valuable suggestions and feedback. That has helped me grow in a lot of ways. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I post videos every week. This week calls for a celebration, especially for two reasons now. The first one is that Lord Krishna was born in this week. We celebrated Janmashtami just a few days ago, and I completed my 1000 subscribers milestone this week. Lord Krishna loves to eat makhan or butter. So today's recipe is all about butter. Thank you Indrani Shadhu Doptori for letting me use your beautiful painting for my video. Thank you so much. This Sri Krishna painting is done by artist Indrani Shadhu Doptori. Her artworks are loaded on Instagram and Facebook. Do visit her page and Instagram account to take a look of some beautiful artworks by Indrani. So, now coming back to today's recipe. So today's recipe is butter, buttermilk and ghee. How to prepare all of them. For the ingredient we need just 4 cups of heavy whipping cream. 4 cups or 1 liter of heavy whipping cream. So first we will pour the heavy whipping cream in a mixing bowl. Now we will start beating the heavy whipping cream at high for at least 2 to 3 minutes. The whipping cream is chilled. We just took it out from the refrigerator and put it in the bowl. So it has to be chilled if you want it to come together without falling apart. Now I am beating the heavy whipping cream at high speed. This will go on for a few minutes until they have come together and the cream now typically looks like frosting. After that, I'm transferring it to a stand mixer. Now I could have used my electric hand mixer till the end, but because I wanted to finish my work faster, I used the stand mixer. And I have put it in the medium settings. So this is a point to remember. Once your heavy whipping cream starts coming together and begins to look like whipped cream frosting, after that you will never beat it at high speed. Beat it from low to medium speed. So now as we are beating it further, we can see that the fat is slowly separating from the cream, and now you can see the butter. So the butter is formed. Now the butter, and there is the buttermilk. The butter is dipped in the buttermilk. So the buttermilk and butter has separated. And now squeeze the butter so that any excess buttermilk gets drained out. Wash the butter with chilled water in a bowl so that there is no buttermilk sticking to the surface of the butter. Now this is wax paper. Once the butter is washed, we need to shape it up and then wrap it in the wax paper or butter paper. And then put it aside. Now I have put it in the refrigerator for a few minutes, and then I took it out to check that how it looked after coming out from the refrigerator. Now we can see that the butter has hardened and its shape is beautiful. It looks just like the store-bought butter. Now we will slice the butter, and they are slicing beautifully. Now we will take a container and put a sieve on it. Now we are pouring the buttermilk through the sieve. The clear buttermilk is collected in the container. So from the heavy whipping cream, we got buttermilk as well as butter. So we have got the buttermilk and the butter from the whipping cream, and now they look so perfect. So now we will proceed towards making the ghee. Turn on the gas and place a thick bottomed pan on it. Now when the wok is hot, at that point of time add the butter to the wok. As soon as the butter touches the surface of the wok, it sizzles and it starts to melt. Now since the wok is hot, the butter will melt in no time. Now we will keep heating the butter on medium. The flame is put on medium and the butter will be heated for some time. We will keep heating until we see a clear liquid on top. Now as we are heating the butter, we can see that the liquid is getting clearer and clearer. We will collect the liquid in a vessel after passing it through a sieve. Excess residue will be collected on the sieve. Now the clarified butter is ready. Now when the clarified butter or ghee cooled down, it has become thick and dense like this. So now after scooping out a little bit of clarified butter or ghee in a measuring spoon, it looks absolutely perfect. Like, share and comment if you like the recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Follow Sohini's Kitchen on Facebook and Instagram. The links to both my Facebook page and Instagram account are shared in the description of this video. Now if you want to view more of Indrani's works, just take a look at them. They are there on both Instagram and Facebook. So sharing both her Instagram account link and Facebook page link in the description of my video. Do check them out and do take a look at her works. She is outstanding. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and keep visiting for more recipes.